Without you, everything falls apart. Without you, it's not as much fun to pick up the pieces. Without you, everything falls apart. It's not as much fun to pick up the pieces. Without you, it's not as much fun to pick up the pieces. Thank you. Sincerely fucking thank you. On the drums, Josh Freese. Atticus Ross. Alessandro Cortini. Robin Finck. In the back, boys known as Alex. Thank you very much. There's a lot of fucking people here tonight. I can't explain why that is, but I'm grateful. So thank you for showing up tonight. I'm going to do a song we had the privilege of working on